Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off 100 keyboard in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the typing interface and see here. This is a keyboard appearing. This is called 100 keyboard. Almost you can touch all buttons in the keyboard with one hand only. Okay, but if you don't like this keyboard, if you would like to turn off this, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to these three horizontal dots or just click on this symbol and it will set to normal keyboard. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off 100 keyboard in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.